Hello everyone! bdglifesciences is thrilled to announce that registrations are now open for our much-awaited next-generation sequencing 4-day technical hands-on certificate online workshop with a specific focus on animal and human genomes. NGS has revolutionized the way we study genomes, providing high-throughput and high-resolution data that has transformed our understanding of biological systems. During 4 days, the participants will learn about the whole genome sequencing analysis of both animals and human genomes. The hands-on experience will cover the computational analysis, including quality control, alignment, variant calling, annotation, etc. This workshop is designed for researchers, students, and professionals who are interested in learning about NGS technologies and their applications. Registration link is in the description. Do join us for an exciting journey of learning in a unique way, the hands-on way where you will do it yourself.